Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to set up StretchSense to VSeeFace. That way you can send finger mocap to complete your full body tracking here on VSeeFace. So, if you need more information regarding what StretchSense is, I will leave in the description below so you can check out their mocap glove or their tutorials regarding how to set up the StretchSense glove if you're new to StretchSense. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started by going to the Edit tab up here and then clicking on Settings. Make sure that you have the VMC, which you know is right here. Make sure that this is set to enabled. And then note that if you do plan on doing multi-actor, note that the VMC streaming can only work on one person. Keep that in mind. And on the port number, you can change the port number to wherever you want, but for at least now, I will leave it as the default number. But you are free to change it whenever you like. Make sure to go to the update settings to save your settings, so that way every time you open the hand engine, you don't always have to re-enable manually, and that these settings will be properly saved. Now you can exit this window, and we're going to go into VSeeFace. Go to Settings, then General Settings, then scroll all the way down until you find the OSE VMC receiver here, and make sure that this is enabled, as you can see. Once you have this enabled, this here, we will have this set to be our main tracking basically. So if you're a Rococo, Mocopi user, or Perception Neuron, whatever mocap solution you have, make sure that it is set to the first one here, which is, I personally recommend it. And make sure that the track fingers checkbox here is set to disabled. That way StretchSense can be able to override the finger mocap on VSeeFace. Once you have that, what you're going to then do is you're going to click on the secondary VMC protocol receiver here and make sure to set the right port number from the hand engine software and make sure it is correct. Should be this number if you left it as default. And as you can see, the fingers here are working perfectly fine here. Do make sure to have the apply finger so that way it can work basically. Once you have that, you can add some bone smoothness to your mocap gloves. That way you can add some smoothness flair to your StretchSense gloves, and therefore having really great finger tracking. I hope that this tutorial helps you out, and feel free to contact StretchSense if you ever need anything from them, and definitely check them out. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey bye bye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!